how to naturally remove plaque and tartar from teeth. Plaque is a sticky, soft film of bacteria that builds up on your teeth, dental fillings, gums, tongue, dentures, and crowns. When multiple layers of plaque combine with minerals present in your saliva, it hardens into a white, chalky calcified substance called tartar. It creates a breeding ground for the oral bacteria that feed on sugars from the food you eat. In addition, it forms acid during this process that breaks down the tooth enamel, leading to dental cavities. Bacteria also produces toxins, causing various periodontal problems. Several factors contribute to plaque buildup, such as improper oral hygiene, bad brushing technique, poor food choices, heredity, and lack of professional care. Once the tartar has mineralized on your teeth, it is extremely difficult to remove. Maintaining dental hygiene is key to preventing plaque and tartar buildup. In addition to regular dental hygiene, you can use some natural remedies to remove plaque and tartar. 1. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is an age-old practice that supports oral health and helps remove plaque from teeth. Extra virgin coconut oil is great for oil pulling because it is high in lauric acid that has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Swish 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Spit it out. Do not gargle with it or swallow it. Brush your teeth as usual. Repeat daily in the morning before eating anything. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is a great home remedy for removing plaque. It neutralizes acids in the mouth, thereby reducing the amount of harmful bacteria. It also helps whiten and brighten your pearly whites. Put a small amount of baking soda on the bristles of your wet toothbrush and brush your teeth with it. Alternatively, mix 1 teaspoon of salt with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Brush your teeth with this powder gently. Another option is to mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Use it to brush your teeth and gums, spit it out, and rinse your mouth thoroughly. Do not use baking soda in excess, as it may damage the tooth enamel over time. 3. Guava. Both guava fruit and leaves are considered excellent anti-plaque agents to help remove plaque accumulated on the teeth and gums. Wash some tender guava leaves and chew them thoroughly, then spit them out. Do this daily to reduce the risk of plaque formation on the teeth. Take a piece of unripe guava, sprinkle salt on it, and chew it slowly. Do this 1 to 2 times daily for a few days. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is effective at dealing with gum disease caused by plaque and tartar. Being an antimicrobial, it kills the bacteria that cause plaque buildup. Plus, it fights bad breath. Slit an aloe vera leaf and extract the pulp. Rub the pulp directly on your teeth and gum line. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Use this remedy twice daily. 5. Cloves. Ground cloves have been widely used for ages as a home remedy to relieve toothaches. It can also be used to fight microbes in your mouth that may cause plaque and tartar. Mix 1 teaspoon of powdered cloves and a little olive oil. Apply this mixture on your teeth. Wait a few minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this twice a day. 6. White vinegar. White vinegar contains acetic acid that can help prevent demineralization of enamel as well as prevent and reduce accumulation of plaque. It also has antibacterial properties. Mix 2 teaspoons of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt in 1/2 cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth with this mixture once or twice a day.